How's it going, my friends? Welcome to another vlog. Today we are in Vegas, still with Casey, hanging out. Car sounds good. Car's been running great. I think 8 p.m. tonight we're headed to Supras in Vegas. So I should get a lot of Supra footage for you guys, which is super cool. We're gonna get on the road, we're gonna get some food. And then I really don't know what I have planned for the rest of the day other than that. So let's get right to it. I don't know why I love this license plate so much. Ooh, gas. Hello. Good, how are you?
I'm doing great. Can I have a name for the order?
Henry.
How you doing today, Henry?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
How may I serve you today? I'm doing pretty good.
Can I get a 12-count Chick-fil-A nuggets and a large fries? Thank you. Appreciate it. Wow. Secured the bag. Welcome back to Rebel Food Reviews. Today we've got Chick-fil-A. It's a very good restaurant if you've never had it. I'm assuming everyone that watches me has. This shit's good. We got a wonderful French fries and some fat chicken nugs. You know, Chick-fil-A is honestly a cultural specialty in America. I haven't had it for 5 months until I got back to Vegas because we don't have one of these in Wyoming. It's very sad. But yeah, we love Chick-fil-A. Let's get started. The waffle fries for me always have been and always will be a 10 out of 10. All right, we're gonna open up our little ketchup here. Delectable. Chick-fil-A has done it again, being one of my favorite fast food places ever. I love Chick-fil-A so much. When I snap my fingers, we're gonna be done eating. All right, we are done eating. Hopefully that transition worked. I have no clue if it did or if it even looks good. Wow, that M2 is very pretty. Holy. Alrighty, but yeah, we're good to go on Chick-fil-A. We're gonna head back to Casey's, and then we're gonna see where we're gonna go for the rest of today. I know at least I'm doing something with Supras tonight, which is exciting. Maybe I'll get to ride in a Supra. Oh, we gotta make that happen. I've never ridden in one. That'd be cool. We'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
They will come.
Ooh, nice little Lexus LC500. That shit's sexy, man. God damn. Ooh, olive green CTS. Damn. That's sexy, bro. What the hell?
They probably are.喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番 jump around さあうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many, many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money, we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional. Make you shake your cats, thank you. Haters take it personal.
Like a Canada type, let's all nail talk. Oh, let's go. Not my money, let's all. Hot sun, skitch my own, let's go. Let's go. To heal it up, love color, let's go. Need you walk, go, tonight, need go. New dog, so let's go. Point.
I wonder if you know that it be Tokyo. If you seen it, then you mean it, then you know you have to go.
We got the vlog roll at Supras in Vegas. Met up with TJ Hunt. Is Calvin coming?
Calvin's not coming. He just got back on a flight. He's like flying in from Mexico right now.
Oh, okay.
What is?
Well, that's no worries, you know. Well, we got to meet some of our biggest inspirations.
You guys weren't here tonight. You were missing out. That's all I'm
Yeah,
saying.
for real.
Just hanging out with the boys.
Are y'all going to the Supra event tonight too?
No, probably not. We got a girlfriend, so we got a little date going
That's
on.
fair enough.
We
You
got
gotta respect
We
it.
got our slot of card time for the weekend, and
Yeah.
this was it.
Okay, well, rewards and rewards. I
Yeah,
guess, you know?
exactly.
Well, we appreciate meeting you
All
guys.
right, man. Yo, nice meeting you
Yeah,
guys.
nice to meet you.
Woo, baby. All right, have a good trip, yeah?
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
That was so much. Just
Got to meet TJ Hunt, one of my idols, man. And their Supra, it's absolutely beautiful, blue raspberry. One of the best looking Supras here. So as y'all saw in the last clip, we met TJ Hunt and Kevin. Super cool guys, super cool. Got to talk to them, got to let them know how much they really inspired me to start this channel that y'all are watching right now. So I really do appreciate you guys. If you do end up seeing this somehow, TJ, if you saw it through my Instagram post or whatever and you ended up watching the video, I really appreciate you, man. Thank you for everything you've done for me, even though you don't really know me or know that, you know, but I mean, you've really impacted my life a lot and I really appreciate everything you've done. Keep creating content, man. You really inspire me each and every day. But yeah, we're about to head out of Supras in Vegas. It's been incredible. Got to see some incredible Supras, incredible cars in general, Supras, supercars, everything. The whole 9 yards was here today. But yeah, we're tired, dehydrated, sweaty. It's been a lot of fun. We're about to head out. Oh yeah. Brand new Jeep, no doors.
So many girls in there, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then she says, I'm here with my friends. She got me thinking, and that's when I said, where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So don't get down, we can all be friends. Hey, bring it on, baby, all your friends, you the and I love that body. You wanna ball explicit, I swear you're good, I won't tell nobody. You gotta be BFF, I wanna see that girl, it's all women invited. Hairdos and nails, that Louis Chanel, all up in the party. Presidents in my wallet, no rules, I'm bout it. Blow the whistle for the hottest. I got it. Shorty, it's never too much. Keep me doing too much. 10 to 1 of me, I can handle that love. Bottles in my reach, we can all get buzzed. Holla, cause I'm free to whatever, there's no rush.
So many boys in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then he said, I'm here with my friends. He got to thinking, and that's when he said,
Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? Where them girls at, girls at? So go get down, we can all be friends.
Yo, PB, who's People Bryson? 2 years ago, I renewed my license. Anyway, why'd I start my verse like that? You can suck on, you can suck on a. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that. Just the other day, I go to London, saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say? Day to the day to day to day. Coming through the club, all the girls in the back of me. This ain't football, why the they tryna tackle me? Really? I peeped dude at the bar like Billy, looking like he wanted a good time like Billy. Said he got a friend from my.
How was your first time on the Las Vegas Strip, Casey?
You're an idiot. With you, it was wonderful.
Oh, that's so sweet.
My other times, I don't remember them.